kalash containing human remains, rice, and other articles which are used for black magic were found in that room. And this amounts to an offence under Black Magic and Evil Practices Act.
That's former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh, who is now an executive director at Lilavati Hospital, alleging black magic inside the premises of the hospital, this room to be precise. What's going on at the Lilavati Hospital? Let me get you up to speed.
When the current Board of Trustees came into management, we took charge in the year December 2023. That is when we learned that huge monies have been siphoned off by the earlier erstwhile Board of Trustees, and which has been to the tune of more than 2,000 crores.
That's Prashant Mehta, a permanent trustee of Mumbai's premier Lilavati Hospital and Research Centre, a renowned institution established by his parents Kishore and Charu Mehta in 1978. After assuming his trustee role in 2023, he initiated financial audits that uncovered massive discrepancies.
It came to notice that more than 1,250 crores was siphoned off for the purpose of purchases for the hospital, and these purchases were not done through the regular channel of the hospital.
In March 2025, the trust filed an embezzlement case alleging that over 1,250 crore rupees was siphoned through fraudulent orders, bogus purchases and offshore accounts. Multiple FIRs were lodged, forensic audits uncovered large-scale fraud, and bizarrely black magic rituals were allegedly conducted on site.
So the ex-employees of the trust came to the trustees and they informed us that some black magic practices have been performed in the court, in the premises of the hospital, especially in the office where Mr. Prashant Mehta and his mother, Mrs. Charu Mehta, used to sit. So on the basis of that information, in the presence of some witnesses, following the due process, the flooring of the room was dug up and 8 urns, kalash containing human remains, rice, and other articles which are used for black magic were found in that room.
Back in July 2024, trustee Prashant Mehta had already accused 7 board members of misappropriating 11.5 crore rupees. By May 2024, he alleged that 500 crore rupees was siphoned off for personal disputes and real estate deals.
As of now, we have requested the Enforcement Directorate and hope proceedings under PMLA are initiated by the Enforcement Directorate.
After FIRs were filed, the case was transferred to the Economic Offences Wing, which is now investigating. But financial mismanagement isn't the only thing haunting Lilavati. The Mehta family itself has been embroiled in a decades-long power struggle over control of the hospital. In 1995, a resolution had appointed Vijay Mehta, Prashant's uncle, as a permanent trustee. But Prashant's father, Kishore Mehta, challenged this.
In the year around 2000, one Mr. Vijay Mehta, in collusion with certain certain ex-trustees led by Mr. Chetan Mehta, Niket Mehta and others, forged signatures of my father and mother to appoint themselves as permanent trustees.
As for Parambir Singh, he is no stranger to controversy either. Removed as Mumbai's police commissioner after the 2021 Antilla bomb scare, he later accused Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh of extortion but ended up facing corruption allegations himself. Singh retired from IPS in 2022 with some cases against him dropped and others still under investigation. A high-profile hospital, a decades-long family feud, a massive financial scandal, and now allegations of black magic. What's next in the Lilavati Hospital saga?